Have you ever needed to recover your SafePal wallet and transfer USDT TRC20 to Binance? In this guide, I'll show you how to restore your wallet using a seed phrase and safely send USDT to Binance. Let's get started.
This is presented to you by Education 4708. Just proceed to view the full content.
First, open the SafePal app on your phone. On the home screen, tap Restore Wallet. You'll be prompted to enter your seed phrase. Type in your 12-word recovery phrase carefully and in the correct order. In this case, the phrase is body, decorate, ankle, journey, apart, rain, predict, warm, track, fly, symptom, mad. Once entered, confirm and complete the wallet restoration process. Now that your wallet is restored, go to the main dashboard. Locate USDT TRC20, which is the Tether token on the TRON network. If you don't see it, use the Add Tokens feature to search for USDT and enable it. Next, open the Binance app. Go to Wallets and select Funding or Spot depending on where you want to deposit. Tap Deposit and choose USDT as the token. Make sure you select TRC20 as the network to avoid losing funds. Copy the deposit address displayed on your screen. Go back to SafePal and open your USDT TRC20 wallet. Tap Send. Then paste the Binance deposit address you copied. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer and double-check the network is TRC20. Since this is a TRON network transaction, you'll need a small amount of TRX to cover the gas fees. If you don't have TRX, you must transfer some before completing the transaction. After reviewing the details, tap Confirm and enter your SafePal security password. The transaction should process within a few minutes. To track your transfer, go to tronscan.org, paste your Binance deposit address, and check the status of your USDT transaction. And that's it. You've successfully restored your SafePal wallet and transferred USDT TRC20 to Binance. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video.